it's me, Christina Marie. Do you ever wonder what is the difference between one eyeshadow primer and the other? This is the Urban Decay original formula. This is the Urban Decay anti-aging formula. Do they make a difference? Is one better than the other? I'm going to show you guys this eyeshadow look that I'm wearing. I'm going to show you one eye with the original formula, one eye with the anti-aging. I'm also going to show you guys this palette that I got here by Makeup Revolution. It is made with, it's called Chilled. It's made with cannabis sativa. So I'm going to show you guys on each eye, me doing this eyeshadow look, and you let me know whether you see a difference from one eye to the other. We're going to touch and feel the formulas. We're going to see if they're different. Do they perform different? Is it better to get one than the other? So we're going to put these to the test and see which one works. So let's go ahead and just roll on over to that video right now of me zoomed in close to my eye. Okay, so on this eye with my mole, I'm going to be using the original formula. You can see that there's no color. And then on this eye, I'm going to be using the anti-aging one. So the original formula feels a little bit more tacky when you're spreading it, like thicker. And the anti-aging feels a little bit more soft, like a lotion almost, with a little bit of cush. Okay, I'm going to set both of them like I normally do with some powder. So this is the side that has the original formula. You can see I dipped in once, swiped, dipped in twice. You see the color. I'm going to the other eye, dipped in once, swiped, dipped in twice. Now you see the color a little bit. Still needs a little bit more. So I dip in 3 times. This is the anti-aging formula. Okay guys, so I have you guys pulled in a little bit closer to my eyes, my face, so you can see. And what do you see? Okay, I'm gonna actually pull the camera a little bit closer. You guys look at this and tell me what you think. Do you see a difference in my eyes or not? Because I'm gonna give you guys my final opinion. I think if you look, they look the same. Remember, where my mole is the original formula, and over here is the anti-aging. But honestly, like, they look so similar, right? But I did notice one thing. I honestly would truly honestly say is that I think the original formula, it has, you use less product with it. If you are that type of person that likes to build their coverage, you know, like have a buildable eyeshadow where you swipe it on and then you swipe on a little bit more and then you blend it a little bit darker, I would honestly say the anti-aging one over here is awesome. I feel like I used more product. I dipped more times putting it on the anti-aging eye versus the original formula. The original formula, even though you guys saw me, I patted them down. I put the powder. I kind of set the primer. I set it, but then again, the makeup, the actual eyeshadow adhered better and quicker to the original formula on this eye. It was like 2 swipes versus 3 swipes. So it's really preference for you guys. I like the anti-aging formula because I feel like, yeah, it's buildable, but not just because of that. I feel like it's softer. It feels more like a lotion consistency. It's just smoother. And the original formula is that drier, that little bit more of a tacky consistency, a thicker consistency. They both have no color, as you can see, but it's really total preference. I know for a fact that both formulas, my eyeshadows will not crease. Look, let me show you. They will not crease. There will be no transfer throughout the whole entire day. Both are amazing formulas, but as far as like how they perform similar, but very different. Anti-aging, you need to use more product, a little bit more product. That really didn't bother me to dip 1 or 2 times more. And then the original formula, you don't. So it really is just, and it also depends on the formula, because I kind of noticed that the green adhered the same on each eye, the darker green. Anyways, I hope this kind of clarified a lot of things between these 2 formulas. Yes, they are very similar, but at the same time, they are different. Truly, honestly, this is the one that I prefer when I do makeup, because I like to have my eyes to be more bold, and I don't have to I don't want to have to put on so much product. So I use this formula that you can see. Oh, well, this is a brand new one, but this, I have to shake it or twirl it around a little bit. I use this one that's more potent, that makes the eyeshadows show more. I love both of them, but I honestly would say, do I love this more than that? Yeah, I prefer the original, but I do use the anti-aging a lot because I'm more mature. I'm in my 40s, you know, and I don't want wrinkles. I want my eyes to be hydrated. As far as the eyeshadows themselves, I think that this palette it's made with cannabis sativa. I think that this palette is just amazing. Like if you want to play with glitter, it has glitter option. As you can see, it has like these beautiful bold colors. Like it is just a gorgeous palette. The performance of the eyeshadows were great. All of them have different consistencies. I will say that some are more powdery than others, but I loved all of this. And I think the green is very, very festive. It's not just a plain brown eye, you know? But anyways, getting back to my point, I think they're almost equivalent. I think it's total preference between the eye primers, a total preference between the eyeshadow primers, like total preference. Do you want a buildable one and your eye be more hydrated, or do you want one that's a little bit more drying where the eyeshadows stick? So that's my opinion. I hope you guys enjoyed my review. If you did like this video, please hit that thumbs up button, little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. Go ahead and just roll on over to the quote of the day. Mwah! I love you all. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I really appreciate every one of you guys. Let's roll on over to the quote of the day. Bye.